welcome to advanced tutorial class, and today we are going to be considering Venn diagram under Math 111. And Venn diagram is a topic that pertains towards set theory. Now, what's Venn diagram? Venn diagram is an illustration that shows logical relationship between two or more sets. It's an illustration that shows logical relationship between two or more sets. Now, Venn diagram uses circles. It uses circles, both overlapping and non-overlapping circles, or other shapes. You can find other shapes, but mostly it's usually what circle. Now, note well, commonly Venn diagram shows how given items are similar and different. Venn diagram, it shows how what given items are similar and different. It's a relationship between two or more items. Now, Venn diagram general formula. There's a formula that is used to what? Express Venn diagram. If you are given a particular question and it involves a Venn diagram, you are asked to represent on the Venn diagram, you make use of this formula. N, open bracket, A union B. This N here means the number of elements in A union B equals to what? The number of elements of A plus the number of elements of B minus the number of elements of A intersect what? B. I'm sure by now you know what union and intersection of a set is all about. The union is what? Collection of all the elements of both A and B without repetition. While intersection is collection of the elements that are what? Similar, like in both A and B. Now, this is how we represent it diagrammatically. Venn diagram is represented diagrammatically as this. Now, we have two sets. Two sets are what? A and B. Now, these two sets, they have a relationship of the circles. I use the circles to relate the two of them, and this is how it is when you express them in Venn diagram. Now, this point X, this is a point Z, and this is a point Y. I'll summarize this Venn diagram of sets A and B. Now, this is what it is. X here means what? Number of items that belongs to set A. So from this place, all this area, number of sets that belongs to what, or number of items that belongs to what, sets A. While Y, number of items that belongs to what, sets B. Then Z, number of elements or items that belong to both. So you can see there's an intersection here, right? So they share common what, item at this point. From the previous Venn diagram I drew, which was Venn diagram with two circles, we can deduce that number of elements in set A is equals to what?